girls, happy Friday. Okay, so we're continuing on with making Valentine's cutesy things today and doing some patterning with some Valentine things. So the first thing we'll do is, so you're going to get this little packet out and you have some eyeballs, some different colored strips, and you have a heart. First thing I want you to do is get the heart out and use your scissors to cut around the heart. So you're on a heart for our activity. So once you have your heart, push play again. Okay, so now you're going to have sheets of paper like this, and you can choose which colors you want to use. And what I want you to do is cut and make strips of paper like this. So you're going to need 4 strips of paper. Right now I have green. Okay, so cut your strips. Next step is folding. This is tricky. You might need to grab a family member, but you can try. If you were at school, boys and girls, I would have you try this. Okay, so you fold down, and then you fold it backward. And then you fold it forward. Then you fold it back. Then you fold it forward. Then you fold it back. So you keep alternating between forward and back. And it's so cool. So you end up with this. And when you let it go, you have a little accordion thing. Okay? So these are going to be used as arms and legs. So you're going to do this with 4 pieces of paper. So this is 1. So do 3 more. Okay. So now you're going to turn your heart into a person, or at least a heart person. So you have your eyeballs here, and you're going to glue them. And this is going to be its face right up here. And you can make a smiley face if you want and give it a happy little face. You can draw it a nose if you want. And then you're going to glue the arms here. So you're going to put glue right behind the heart or in front, whichever you choose, and stick the arm here. And then the other arm, I'll show you a picture when we're finished. The other arm will go right here. And then the other pieces go the legs right there and right there, okay? So I'm going to show you a finished picture of this lovely product. And I will upload it to the site so you can see it, okay? I don't think I have that one saved on here. So I'm going to upload that as a file to today's activities. But I can't wait to see your people, your heart people. The trickiest part is that fold. So I'll show you one more time how to fold, okay? Before we go do the next thing. Okay. So you can choose different colors, by the way. You don't have to use all the same. Forward, backwards. Forward, backwards. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Forward, backward. Another little piece for forward. And then I have a little accordion. Okay. So, can't wait to see this. The next thing we have is patterning. Okay, so you have 2 pages that go with this. So the first thing I want you to do is cut out these squares. Use your scissors, cut around the black line. Most of you should be getting really good at cutting by now, okay? Okay, so then we look at these patterns. And I want to look at the top one first. This is stripes, 2 hearts. Stripes, 2 hearts. Stripes, 2 hearts. Stripes. What comes next? 2 hearts. Good job, kiss your brain. Okay. So you would put the one there and you can either glue it down or you can keep it off so you can do this more than one time. Okay, so the next one has 2 dots. Ooh, polka dotted. Then 2 dots, then polka dotted. 2 dots, then polka dotted. 2 dots, then... I'm going to let you decide. Okay, stripes, double heart, stripes, double heart, stripes. What comes next? I'll let you decide. Okay, so I'm going to go check those 2 now. So if you haven't done them, go ahead and pause until you figure those out. Okay. So after the polka dots was the 2 dots, and then came the polka dots again. Nice job. Okay, then after we did that one, we had the stripes, the two hearts, stripes, two hearts, stripes, two hearts. Nice job. Okay, now I'm not going to go over the last couple with you. I want to see what you can do. So families, let them try to see if they can figure out what comes next. What I do, if they were here, I would read the pattern out loud to them. It's just always helpful. Sometimes you say like red, green, and they can hear it sometimes before they can see it. So it helps to do both. So point and say it out loud. And then you can let me know how they're doing. Okay, so the next thing is just kind of a little extra I threw in. There's an extra activity today, and it's adding and subtracting, which are, again, things that you're going to work on in the future, boys and girls. But in pre-K, we just like to use pictures sometimes with it too. So we have 1, 2, 3 hearts plus one more. How many are there all together? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you could write a 4 here, or families, if your child isn't writing numerals yet, you can help them write the 4, and they could also draw 4 hearts right there to show me that there are 4 hearts altogether. And the same with the bears. 1, 2 plus 1, 2 bears, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you would put a 4 here, or you could draw 4 bears. Down here, it's 1, 2, 3 hearts. Oh, this sign in the middle is different. It means subtract or take away. So it says we start with 3, but they want us to take away 2. Sometimes what I do is I take a pencil and I mark out 2 of those hearts because it wants me to get rid of them. So then how many do I have left? Kiss your brain if you said 1. You would have 1 heart left. So you can draw 1 heart and you can draw number 1. The last one on this page, we have some presents. 1, 2, 3, 4 presents. And I have to take away 1 present. So I can mark off 1 and I have 1, 2, 3 left. So I number 3 and or you could draw 3 present boxes there, okay? Nice job on that. Again, that's something that you'll keep working on later on, so families don't be upset if they can't quite do that yet. That's definitely a later skill that we're working on, and we just like to expose everybody to as much as we can. So I hope you have an absolutely wonderful weekend.